Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our sales manager's ex-demonstrator car, which is a Tiguan 2-litre TDI 4Motion 240 brake horsepower bi-turbo that we have on sale. This car is only done just under 1200 miles, absolutely stunning car. The R-Line, probably the best model in the range. Sits on 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels, and this particular one has got the running boards, so it's the new side steps that are now available on the R-Line range. And just finished the car off. Now this particular car, as a manager's car, comes fully loaded. So first of all, it's got the electric tailgate, so from the push button or the key will open like so, and then the key on here, then you press it and then it will lock as well. So that's the car. As we go around, it's also got keyless entry, so you'll notice the button on here, so when you've got your key on you, the car will automatically open. It's got folding wing mirrors that are heated. It's also got the Vienna leather, and it comes with electric seats as well, with memory seats. So we'll jump inside and start the car by the push button on here. It's got two USB ports that you see down there. It's got quite a number of options. Obviously it comes standard with the full panoramic sunroof. And then it's also got, on the mode button, you'll see on here now, it's got the dynamic chassis, so you can alter the chassis control of it. It's got the Navigation Pro, so you've got the larger screen with hand gesture. And then obviously on the settings, you've got your driver assistant. So you've got your standard cruise control that's adaptive. You've got your front assist. It's also got lane assist and high beam assist as well. The car has done, I'd say, 1,119 miles. And I say it's an absolutely stunning vehicle. Obviously with the new active info display system, you can have the sat nav on here, and then it will go across to your display on here. So once you click on the driver, and then you've got the sat nav there that will show you, so you can either have it on there as we see it, or right in front. So say this car is fully loaded, and to be fair, with the spec that it's got, it probably won't hang around for long. There's not a mark on the vehicle, I say, with 1200 miles. So for more details on this car, make sure when you phone up you ask for Phil in sales, that's myself, and we can chat further. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I say I can go over all the optional extras when you do inquire. Many thanks.